Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. You need Persona 3 Portable and a free save slot, plus either the in-game item or a save edit method. Once done, open your game and reach a safe save point near Tartarus or Dorm. This minimizes risk. Make sure to back up the save to external storage or export the file from your emulator. This protects your progress if a step fails, and it speeds up retries, so do it now before attempting any manipulation. Next, you perform the detailed acquisition routine, progress to the story or calendar point that unlocks the Juzumaru-related event. Then, use your chosen method, either the game's trade/event or a save edit tool, to add or trigger the Juzumaru item or enemy spawn. Once triggered, follow the battle or event sequence exactly. Timing and dialogue choices matter. Make sure to test on your backup save first, because if dialogue or choices change outcomes, you'll need to retry without losing your main file. Finally, verify the Juzumaru appears in your inventory or Persona compendium, and complete any fusion or equip steps. Once confirmed, save to multiple slots and export a fresh backup to avoid repeat effort. If something goes wrong, restore the backup and repeat only the step that failed. This isolates errors. For emulator users, check memory card paths and plugin settings if the item won't persist. Incorrect save path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.